In Lucknow, obviously you were very emotionally overwhelmed with the kind of response that you saw on the street. You invoked Nargis Ji's memory. You spoke about how Lucknow was your Nanehal, and you also spoke about Dutt Sahib, and you have this debt to repay to the city. But a lot of people here are asking, why not Bombay? Why not Mumbai, where you've grown up? You're a Mumbai ka.
See, I'll tell you, the first person who offered this to me was Amar Singh. And even in all his statements, if you keep hearing over these few days, he's always said that if the Congress wants Sanjay, I'll give it Congress Sanjay, But nobody came up. And I think it's too late now.
I think by the time they came, you had already made your decision.
No, that roadshow happened and I was committed. And but he's one type of a guy I can vouch for. Is that when he said that, and if the Congress came and told him that we need Sanjay, he would have said okay.
But you seem to have already drawn the line that if Atal Bihari Vajpayee does contest from Lucknow, you're not going to.
I won't. He has been my Prime Minister. He's been a person we all have respected. Every citizen of this country has. And he is like a father, and I have had some beautiful moments with Atalji. And he is absolutely. How can you think I can fight with my father? Or against him? There's no way.
You mentioned father. Have you had, Manyata, a chance to speak to Trishala after this, and how has she reacted?
She's good. She's out on a holiday.
But that's one quarter where you've got support from throughout. Trishala has been one who has been.
Trishala, his friends are there, like Banti Walia and Ajay Arora. Prashant is there. Dharam is there. I mean, they have been with him throughout the thick and thin. It's been like and he's got his other friends, and his friends are like 20 years, 25 years, 30 years old of friendship. So I mean, they are always there with him. So
there is a panic of sorts, Sanjay, in Bollywood circles. They're thinking now that you're becoming a politician, you're going to stop being their Munna Bhai. You're going to stop working in movies. All your attention is going to be on.
I mean, I am not going to let this political career take over my film career. That's my love, that's my life. And if I am on this platform, it's only because of my acting in my industry. And I can never leave that. And yes, I may get a little choosy. I may cut down my work a little bit because I have to justify even the job I've taken as a politician. But it's not that I'll stop working.
You use the term Gandhigiri a lot when you were in Lucknow, and that's one word we've associated with Munna Bhai. In fact, it's become part of a lot of people's vocabulary. How do you plan to use this with politics? Is that being a very smart politician, or is that going to be a tagline of Munna Bhai la politician?
I have not thought about it. Everything has happened so quick that I really haven't sat and talked to my seniors in my party. So I can't even tell you anything about it right now. But definitely I will, when I sit and talk to them, I will let you know.
Manyata, tell me, a lot of actors have tried their hand at politicians, and a number of them have faced a lot of flack for it. They've been criticized and they've been thought to be, just crowd pullers for some time, but not really giving anything back. Do you think Sanjay is going to be any different, and why?
Yeah, I think because to be very honest, Sanju has never believed in doing a good for media or for telling people that I'm doing good, because I know him since 9 years, and I've been with him as his woman since last 4 years, and then married since last 1 year. So I really, really know him so well. He's one person who would, just do charity for the sake because he wants to help somebody.
But Sanjay, one disturbing thing that one saw in Lucknow was there were some billboards which had AK-47s, obviously done by the opposition, whether they were nervous or whatever. Did that disturb you? Does your past ever come to haunt you?
No. See, Maruk, one thing like I said that day at the press conference outside my house, is that the honorable judge in my case, Justice Court, has taken me out of a terror act, and he's convicted me in the arms act. There is a huge difference to it. There's a huge difference. And all these things, I know, once you're in politics, and all these things will come up. You know, there'll be things dug out in the past, there'll be posters of AK 56 and stuff like that. But I have to face it, you know. I'm a man and I have faced so many things. So I will face it.
And are you going to be with him there every step of the
Totally,
way?
I've always been with him for everything. I mean, so far, and I mean, I believe in the same thing, and I'm going to stand by him. He stood by me for everything in my life. And
Sanjay, in the end, tell me, how do you describe yourself? People have given you a lot of names. I started with this, and this is one of the last questions that I'm going to ask you. Which role has best portrayed Sanjay Dutt? Let me put, which role of yours has best portrayed you?
I think Munna Bhai has. And, you know, I've been in the industry for 30 years. But there was one name the whole industry kept, and it became a universal name, whether it's America or whether it's Europe, India, anywhere, is Baba. And you know, it's funny because about a year back I asked, again they started calling, Are Baba kya? So I called this guy, I said, why do you call me Baba? I'm really going to be 50 years old here. Why do you keep calling me Baba? Everybody Baba, Baba. So he said, आप दिल के बाबा हैं यार. He said कि ऊपर से 50 साल लेकिन दिल से तो वही है यार. अपना बाबा छोटा सा. I couldn't believe it. So I asked him, I said, does everybody feel that way? He said, yeah, everybody feels that way.
Do you agree with all those people who call him Baba?
truly, yeah. I mean, I just can't tell you the names I have for him. It's too personal, but then.
Yeah, but no.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being on this show.